When choosing tapware for your kitchen or bathroom, one common question always comes up. Should you go with a mixer tap or three-piece set? While both do the same job, the right choice can make a big difference to how your space looks, feels and functions. Mixer taps are made up of a single unit. They're compact, streamlined and ideal for modern or minimalist spaces. Three-piece sets, on the other hand, include a central spout and two separate handles. This style is more traditional and suits classic, heritage or Hampton-style homes beautifully. Mixers are incredibly user-friendly. For an installation point of view, mixer taps require just one tap hole in the basin or sink. Three-piece sets require 3 separate holes, but they're often easier to install when upgrading older like-for-like setups. Mixers create a clean, uncluttered look, ideal for small bathrooms or powder rooms. For an extensive range of either option, go to bathwaredirect.com.au.